friends, this is Madhavi from Kingmakers IS Academy. Happy to see you again for this GS3 paper reflection. This GS3 paper consists of a lot of subjects, especially coming to this economy, food processing sector, agriculture, land reforms, science and technology, environment, we have internal security. So this is a wider canvas for anybody to study and get this exam correct. But UPSC has been also very difficult when it comes to a question paper framing. So we have lots of areas which are being discussed in UPSC. So UPSC questions are ranging from a wider area of field, because these questions can be taken. Coming to this agriculture, this area is very vast, but there are only 3-liner or 2-liner of syllabus, but the questions are very, very wide. So there are difficulties in attempting this question paper, and the average mark has reduced. But Kingmakers in his MSLP program, in 1000+ program, as well as it is in sectional test as well as mock test, have reflected a lot of questions that have been asked in this UPSC exam paper. So we have this 150 out of 250 marks that has been reflected. So we have a number of 10 marker and 15 marker that is testament here, and the evidence are here. We have this public expenditure on social services that has been asked in UPSC question paper, and we have discussed this in GS 3.2 question number 14, wherein there was a question about this same, that is social expenditure on social service in terms of skill development and workforce training. And there was a question about land reforms, and here we have a question on land reforms and about this Digital Personal Data Protection Act, which is very, very important, and we thought it will be very, very important. So we have taken this question. So credit goes to the R&D team. And there was a question on labor code, and here we have this about the economic reforms and the irrigation systems, and about the agriculture pricing. It's exactly the same about the buffer stock, and here we have the question about buffer stock and about freshwater disaster resilience. Friends, yes, there are questions, there are areas in the syllabus which can be asked in this MSLP program, but there are certain areas which are not there in the syllabus, but exactly that was predicted because it was very, very prompting in the current affairs, and so we have taken questions like this, that is buffer stock. It's a one more testament because it's exactly a replica or a little changes in the question framing, but otherwise the area is same. And there was a question about China, Pakistan, and about social media. And here we also have about social media. So we have this major questions that is reflected, and I think it will be giving a major boost and a confidence for all the candidates who are writing this UPSC, and all the best for all of them. My prayers to them. Thank you.